Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 162 Rochester Street in Avon. This is a picture-perfect farmhouse chic property, so let's take a tour. This is the epitome of the perfect chic farmhouse style home. Featuring a country kitchen with cathedral ceilings, modern concrete countertops, and a breakfast bar. Open to the dining area with tile floors and a picture window. And a living room with crown molding and shiplap. All with access to the enclosed porch, which is on everyone's wish list. The first floor also features a convenient mudroom, a bedroom with shiplap, and a charming full bathroom. While the upstairs features 2 additional spacious bedrooms with scenic views. Enjoy the quiet country life on almost half an acre with a relaxing patio, beautiful stonework and landscaping, a lean-to and fire pits, all surrounded by nature. This exceptional country location is located in the village of Avon with public utilities and walking distance to great restaurants and shops, plus easy access to Geneseo, Letchworth State Park, also known as the Grand Canyon of the East, and 390 to the city of Rochester.
The village of Avon has a lot to offer. Steps away is a beautiful park area in the center of town, all with easy access to Rochester and Western New York.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 162 Rochester Street in Avon. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!